type of problems are will be without any referral, without anything. If you are applying, then this is required. Got it? And currently here means here where I'm living, it's raining outside, so that's why I'll be breaking in somehow. The voice will not be so much clear. So that's why I request you. The session is already in recording, so you can also after that you can also see the recording also. Okay, for better understanding. And other than that, I will be sharing my screen. Just focus on the screens and the steps that I'll be doing. Okay, like that only you need to do. Okay, for developing a resume. Okay, a good resume which can lead you to the job. Got it? So 1 second, I'm sharing my screen. Yeah. My is visible. Okay. So the first thing that you need to understand, you are not required to use the like any type see it's photos and like different layouts and side layout and for layout two between the two and two layouts, that type of things, that type of that type of templates you are not supposed to use. Okay, so that's why what you will be using. Simply you go on to list. You will be finding the latex based resumes. Okay, which is written via code. Okay, so let it be open. Let it load. The internet connection is too low. My area. Yeah, so now it's audible. Okay. So basically, what you need to do, like you are not supposed to use this type of resumes. Okay, this type of resumes are not being passed by ATS. It will look very cool and it will look very means very eye catchy, but it will not be working under the ATS. Which resumes are being worked in ATS is, you can see over here, this type of resumes. Okay, this type of, not also not this type of resumes. This resume is very best, these all things. Okay, so just pick on these all resumes only. Okay, this type of resumes, and you need to update all the things over here. Like, what are the things that you will be updating? First, you will be giving your name, and after that, no need of adding the location. Just email, phone number, and your demo website or any of the website that you have hosted on your name. Okay, that will be depicting your things. That website URL you can keep it. Okay, and after that, your LinkedIn account and your GitHub account and your phone number and everything that will be over here. Okay, after that, a short overview will be there. This will not be there. Okay, a short overview. After that, your skill sets. Okay, here you will be giving your skill sets. Skill sets means in technical, you will, yeah, means you are, if you are having Java, Python, anything, that you need to write it over one by one in tabular format or in horizontal, vertical, anything, it is accepted. Okay, it must be written one after one. Okay, after that, you need to go on to education only. Here in education, you need to give your latest education on the first, and after that, you need to give the means pre-latest, and then, like, if you have done till your BTech, so you will be writing first your BTech. Okay, like BTech in computer science engineering, and your specialized domain, that is computer science, and your GPA that you have got in there, or if you are currently pursuing, so write your previous GPA that you have received. Okay, till then you need to write it, and that's it. Okay, that much only you need to write, and here you need to write from what year to which year it will be going on. Got it? So that you need to write over here. Like this, after that, 12th, class 12th, and after that, class 10th. So like this, you need to add your educations over here. After that, you need to, if you have some internship experience, that you need to write it in very short manner in 2 to 3 points only. Like, on which, means first you will be writing out the company's name on where you have done the internship, and your role that you will be writing. Okay, and here same thing like this, you need to write your month, means from which month and which year to which month and which year you have done, and what are the responsibilities that you have done. Means right now, if you're pursuing your internship in software development, so if you're working on a project, so you'll be mentioning a project name, and will mention that we have incorporated these all stuffs, and only add that much that is required. Okay, do not explain everything over here, because the interviewer, if you are going on to interview, they will be asking you, like, in that project, what are the things that you have developed, everything they will be asking. So it is not required to write everything over here. Okay, you are just required to write it what you have done. Okay, after that, the question, like, yeah, okay, you have developed this application, so yeah, tell me what this application is doing, what, which job it is fixing. After that, you can explain out to the interviewer accordingly. Okay, so like that, you need to list out your experience. Do not list each and every experience, like if you are volunteering in your college or anything, do not write that, or yeah, means that all things. Okay, so like this, you need to add, and one more catch I will be telling you, like how you need to write it. Okay, so on what basis, you might have done 3 to 4 internships, and you will be having some, means good exposure of means of the IT industry or any industry that you are pursuing with. So you need to segregate it into two only, 2 or 3, maximum 3. Okay, so you need to write maximum 3 experience if you are a fresher. Okay, if you're not a fresher, then you need to write your latest one and your internship one, only 2. Okay, do not write the, like, means I have volunteered in under the experience as I have volunteered the college cultural fest or something else. Okay, that are really not required. Okay, so in under the experience, you need to write the company's name, and after that, your designation, and from which date to which date you have worked, And here you will be explaining in maximum 1 to 2 points only, like on which platform, means on which software you have developed and what was your contribution. That's all. Okay. Again, next same you will be adding. Okay, that all about experience. And after that you will be needed to add the certifications. Certifications means like, let's say while you are in college, you will be getting some opportunity to get certified with AWS. Okay, great in hacker rank, so you'll be getting certified. You are, if you are doing something under means any hackathon or something that you have visited or got a certificate, so that all certificates you need to add over here. Means what if you are doing with AWS, so under AWS you will be writing as, yeah, AWS cloud practitioner or cloud associate level you have done, and you are certified till 2026 or 2028 or like. And after that, under that certificate ID. Okay. And again, in the next line, if you have done any hackathon or something, so you have got or you have won on that hackathon, so then only you are required to write. Other than that, no need to write it. Okay. And after that, you need to write your understandable language. Okay. Means what are the language that you can understand and also speak. That's only. Okay, understand and speak. So right now, you will be understanding Hindi, you will be understanding English, you will be understanding any of your mother tongue language like Odia or Bengali or Punjabi, anything. Okay, that you need to write at the last. So that's all about what you need to write. So everything will be consistent. Like, let's say this is a job description. Okay, so what you need to do means you need to, the main catch where everyone fails is like, when someone is applying for a job role, no, means if you are applying for this particular job role, okay, let's say, so you will be reading the description, and according to the description only, the ATS will be segregating the resumes accordingly to the HR. Okay, to the recruiter directly. Got it? So what you need to do before applying, you need to first read out the description, and for each job ID, for each application, you need to develop means a well segregated and a well crafted resume for that particular job ID. Okay, every job ID you need to modify your resumes accordingly. And what will be changing, like here in the description part, this will the overview part. Here you will be changing as it is here as senior software development engineer, AWS commerce platform and AWS billing. Okay, it is written. So like this, you need to give something here like that only. Means you need to do some GPTs over there by typing it like, yeah, give some overview on my means belonging to my experience for this job role that you will be asking, and you will be getting a short overview that you need to give it to paraphrase here. Okay, because if you write directly your code or means your writing, means say what you will be writing from directly from AI tool like chat GPT, so the resume parser or the means that ATS will be capturing it. Okay, they are well trained, so that's why they can capture like it is handwritten or it is written by AI. So for eliminating that, you need to go with one more application, that is that paraphraser tool. Okay, paraphraser tool. Yeah, you can go with the Quillbot. Here you need to go, means here it is already in paraphrasing tool only. You need to get that particular sentence that your AI has generated and paste it over here. Click on to the fluency and paste it over here and turn this to high. Okay, after that you can paraphrase it and you will be getting the response over here. Just check that response one and copy it, and then you can paste it over here. That will save your time and also it will be ATS proof. Okay, getting it. So after that you need to after yeah, means after the overview there is the skill sets. So in the skill sets, you need to highlight all the skills that are required for this. So here you will be getting these all basic qualifications that you need to satisfy. Okay, if you're not satisfying these all qualification, don't apply for that because it will be going invalid. Okay, you need to check these all things, like what are the things that the job description do wants in you. Okay, like the software development life cycles, including the coding standards, code reviews, source control management, build processes in development, testing, operational experience, that all things. Okay. So these all things they are wanting. Okay. If you go to any of the job description, there will be seeing like what are the things the company wants in you. So that you need to, if it is not added also, that you need to add under the skills. Okay, one by one and make it bold. Okay, so that the AI parser will be parsing that all things. Okay, so like this, you need to do. Means you need to overview your this one, the skill sets, and after that education will remain as the same. Experience, under the experience, if you have some experience on that is directly aligning with this one, okay, delete everyone and just add that one only over here. Okay, no other details are required. Okay, just add that. And also add something, means I will be showing you like what you need to add from the job description, that also I'll be showing you. And there is no change in this one also and this one also. So you need to change the experience, you need to change the skill sets, and you need to change the overview according to your job description. So after that, what you need to do, means before these all things, you need to spread out the words that are over here in the description over onto your resume, so that the ATS does what it does work on the 80, 20 or 60, 40, like that ratio. If means that is what, like if 60% of the job description things are matching with your resume, then it will be passing. If it is not matching till 60%, then it will be rejecting directly. Okay, so for eliminating that, what you need to do, just copy everything. Okay, I've copied all the job descriptions, and just I will be copying it and going on to Word Gen. Okay, here I will take some time as my internet is slow. Yeah. So now you need to paste what you have copied in here. Okay, the job description over here. Okay, so I've just pasted it, and 50 words, make it as much as you can. And here is the word cloud. Okay, so you need to spread out these all words like AWS, growth, customers, agreement, teamwork, helping, knowledge sharing. These are infrastructure, store. If you keep it less here, you will be getting more means more highlighted words like systems experience or service experience, AWS development, PPOA, like this. So these all words you need to spread out onto your whole resumes. Okay, you can spread it in your overview, you can spread it in your experience, you can spread it in anywhere over in explaining the projects and that all things. So that will safeguard your resume for getting rejections. Okay, so you so now your resume is safe. Okay, you have added the overview according to the job description, you have added, you have also sprinkled the words from the word generator, and also you have added the relevant experience according to the job description, and also you have added the skill sets that are required in this job description. So now your 95% work is done. Okay, after that you need to just check your resume, like any spelling mistake is there or any grammar mistake is there, that you need to check. You can just take an help from the Grammarly, you can install it in your system and take the help of the Grammarly, and you can check your resumes like that and export it in doc format, not in PDF, and no need to add any picture over here. Okay, if you are adding the picture, the ATS is will not track and make it invalid. It can make it invalid. So that's why do not add pictures or anything in the resume. Okay, you are just required to add your information over here. That all should be correct and will should be aligning with the job description. Got it? So that you need to do, and like this, you will be getting a perfect, well structured resume that that will have a 95 to 98% chance the ATS will pass that. Okay, but if your resume is having a lot of spelling mistakes, okay, then it will be failing. Okay, it can fail. Got it? And also, if you are directly pasting it from Chat GPT or anything, then also in that case also it will fail. So you need to do multiple times, means everything whatever you will be adding over from the you need to paraphrase them. Okay, and after that you can just go on to AI detector. Here is the tool, and just copy that text over here and upload that and just detect. If it will be saying like it is means the AI generated 100% or 90%, then you need to change. If it is saying as human written or AI refined, then it's perfect. If it is completely showing as human written, then it is very perfect. Okay, so this is the tool where you can paraphrase your means your document or any of the sentence or any of the paragraph, and also check the means accuracy of the AI, means the percentage of the detection, and also you can check the plagiarism. Okay, these all three checks you need to do. This is in premium, so any other application, many application are there for checking the plagiarism. You can check it from there. Plagiarism is what means it is copied from somewhere or like that. Okay, so that also you need to keep your resume free from these all three things. And after that do this thing word generate according to your job description and sprinkle it over in your resumes, and do not add any pictures, any graphics type of things. It is not required. These all things are runnable. Okay, these all things the ATS can recognize. Okay, but the means that if you are adding pictures or any graphics over there in your resume, it will not do that. Okay, this was all about the how to develop your resume. Any doubt you can ask. That was the motto for today's session. So you can, okay, you can ask it. You can turn on your microphone and you can ask. Hello. Any doubt is there? Just turn on your mic. I'm not able to listen you all.
Hello. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, Sanket, tell me.
Sir,
Am I audible?
yeah,
No, my
sir.
internet
Yes,
connection
sir,
is
you're
low.
audible. No, no, you're
Oh,
audible, sir. So my question was mainly, so I've been applying for jobs for like I think for around 3, 4 months, but my
okay.
main issue is like I've done everything like edit my resume based on like the job description, everything.
Can you please
The
show me your
on
resume once? Means by sharing a screen.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah,
So 1 second,
so
sir.
that I can detect what where your
Sir, we are not allowed
where
to
it falls.
share the screen, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, now it's allowed.
No, sir, I can't yet share my screen.
So refresh it once. Now it's allowed. I can see that it is allowed.
Uh, no, no, it's not. Yes, sir, now I can. Yeah, 1 second, sir. Just a minute.
Yeah, Kiran, please, if you have no any doubt, then please keep your mic shut because it is creating disturbance.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. So this is my resume, that one of my resumes for data science mainly. And so like this is how my main resume is essentially, and
Just
I
go down,
change it
go
based.
down, just go down. The format is wrong. That's what you need to do. Just go up. Do not write this much thing, please. Means remove.
So this summary.
Yeah, remove the load. Okay, just
Okay.
be crisp. Okay, and check your wordings over in the paraphraser and also AI detector. Okay, and
Okay.
also you are not required to use that means hyperlink over there. Okay, that will be going invalid.
Okay. So
Okay,
so this I've just kept the
so
hyperlink for like the projects and stuff, essentially.
yeah. If it is not taking, then remove that hyperlink. It will be invalid, and that's all. After the summary that background is there. No, please remove it
Uh,
because it will detect a different means div. Okay, it will the ATS will be detecting a different div on it.
Sir, so
Okay,
this gray background that you're
yeah,
saying.
this gray background you need to remove and just a simple underline.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
and
Okay.
unload the words. There are too many words. Means it's too much loaded. It seems to be too much
Yes, sir.
loaded.
This one. So this
And
changes, sir, based on the job description.
yeah, and in the short form, what you have written 0125, that will also be not detected. Okay, you need to write it as
This
January
one. Okay.
hyphen 2025. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
reduce the load from everything. Project also,
Yes, sir.
let's say
Okay.
you have used hyperlinks over there, brain tumor detection. Okay,
Sorry,
that
so
is the
sir, your
hyperlink.
voice
This will also
is.
be okay. 1 second. Yeah, now it's audible.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So under the project,
So this hyperlink you were saying, I'm assuming.
yeah, you
Okay.
need to remove it. Okay, that
Okay.
hyperlink is not. It will not work on that. Okay, it will detect as the same sentence from the top to bottom. Okay, so it will not make sense. Okay,
Okay.
it will means generate as what I am means what I'm telling. Like it will give the topic as automated business report generation with LLM, and from a Gen AI to recognition, it will be detecting all the words in a single topic. Okay, so
Okay,
then it
sir.
will not make a sense. Got it?
Okay.
And
All right.
on the project, remove the dates. That 24,
Remove the
24
dates.
that of things. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just keep the project name as it is. Nothing else.
Yeah. The topic that is like your first point, no, like that only you need to keep all the three.
Okay,
And the
sir.
main thing why it is being rejected is the first thing that a huge load of words is there. And the second thing, it is not aligning with the job description that you are applying for. Means every job description you need to remodify your resumes accordingly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like I have
That
told
that
you, no,
I'm doing, sir. Yeah.
yeah, that 1 second. That I've told you, no, like means means you need to sprinkle out the words from the cloud generator
Yeah.
over there so that AI means the AI parser, what it does is it does work on an algorithm. Like if 70% of the job description is matching or they are detecting that in your resumes, then it will be passing out to the recruiter. Or if it is not, then it will be directly dropping out from their side only. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So maybe your resume is dropping out on that case. Okay. So reduce the load
Yeah.
and means everything. What are the things that you need to change according to your job description is
Yeah.
first summary, skill sets, reduce the skill sets also.
Yeah.
So everything you are not required to write. Okay, you
Yeah.
need to write those all focused skill sets that
Yeah.
is written onto the job description. Got it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Or getting the 95.98% accuracy. Okay, that you need to do. Remove
Yeah.
every hyperlinks that are there, like brain tumor, music genre, everything you need to remove. From
Okay.
the top also, the link is there, that is also you need to remove.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
make your name bigger size, somehow bigger than the normal words. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
and you will be changing according to the job description as the summary, your work experience details. Okay, there you will be highlighting some of the words that are there in the job description. You will be sprinkling
Yeah.
out your entire resumes. You will be changing your projects according to the role. Okay,
Yeah.
you'll be having multiple projects till that you have done in 4 years. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you need to, one second, one second, guys. Yeah, sorry for the delay. Hello. Yeah, once again, please. What was the doubt actually?
Yes, sir. So that's you told me like the resume thing. My main this thing was like even after the applications, there's no rejection or anything that's going forward with the application happening. Like, do you have
Yeah.
any idea why that is happening?
Means you are getting the rejection mail or not?
No, I'm not getting the rejection
Yeah.
mail as
So
well.
see, so currently, see the thing means if you are applying for the top MNC companies, no, like if you're focusing on Amazon or Apple or Microsoft or Google or that type of companies, Amex, American Express, Nvidia, that type of companies. So if you are applying now, it will be processed and done after August only. Okay,
Okay,
because that is the only case. Got it?
Okay, so like the top
Because
companies,
why?
they'll like take time.
Yeah, why? Why? There is a catch between it. I will be explaining you that, like, if they will be taking you now, okay, they need to give the appraisal to you by by the end of December, that January or February or March. Okay, they need to give you the percentage over there. Okay, if they will be hiring you right now, okay, in this these all months, means like April, May, June, July, these all months. Okay, so if they will be hiring after August, then they will not be giving the next appraisal. They will have to give the next to next year of appraisal. Got it? So that's why in India it is happening. So right now, if you are applying for that type of companies, so they will not be giving you any feedback. Okay. So it will be listed and it will be like showing as upcoming or ongoing or on or received or something like that. Okay. So after that date only, means you need to wait for 1 to 2 months for the status update. Okay. And after 1 to 2 months, your status will, if your status is on uh, that same status, then you are safe. Your resume is passed, and you will be going on to the next. But that next will be coming on after August, on August or July.
Okay.
That type.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so if you are applying for some of the startup or that type of companies, so for them it is quite simple. They will be doing it like that only. Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Any more doubt or question you can ask?
Sir, do you have like any like websites or anything that for ATS checker essentially? So like
Yeah,
to
ATS
check if
checker.
I
See, all these. No, 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 no. These all things you need to means do. And ATS checker, whatever is available on Google, no, that are not accurate. Okay, because
okay,
if you talk about if you are giving your resume to any of the companies, so they are developing their own ATS according to their needs. Okay, so no one can confirm. So
okay,
what's the best practice is just spread out the job description over in your resume for getting the maximum percentage of ATS free. Okay, 95 to 98. And
yes,
what are
sir.
the things that I have told you now? So that all things you need to do. Then it will you will be safe. Okay, and you need to wait. Means they will not be replying in 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 weeks or 1 or 2 months also. Okay, so you need to wait. Keep applying. Do not means see back like why they are not. If you will be seeing, then you will be stuck onto that company only. Okay, so in means you all know there is a lot of companies having a lot of requirement and also a lot of vacancies and like that. Okay, you need to click on any one of the company. So keep applying. Don't see back. And also, if you are a job seeker, then your routine from the top morning till night after 12 till 2 p.m. should be on the mails, whatever the mail that you are using, the spam and your inbox. Okay, you need to check it regular basis. Means you need to have login in your mobile phone, laptop, anywhere. You need to check it regularly for any of the updates. Okay, they will be means any of the update they will be giving over in the mail only. Okay, so your mail should be on your hand. Okay, if you miss one mail, if that is in a spam or anything, anywhere, okay, you will be missing one opportunity. Okay, so that's why keep checking your mails if you are applying. If you are directly means every day, if you are applying. And one more thing, if you are a fresher, okay, make a target for every day, 50 companies or 60 companies per day. Any companies, don't sort it. Any companies, apply it. Everywhere you need to apply, everywhere on all the companies. Okay. Just keep a target, like from means every day you need to means apply for 50, minimum 50. You can also do 30, 40, but if you are doing 50, then you will be getting the thing means fast. Okay.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, please. Please tell me.
Sir, we didn't get the performance report and stipend details of previous months.
Okay, so you'll be getting it soon. Okay, if you haven't got,
Okay,
then
thank
you will be getting it soon. It might be it will means it is under development. Okay, means the people are working, so you'll be getting it. Don't worry.
okay. Thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
yeah, always welcome.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm not a fresher. I'm transitioning from a different field. I mean, it's in the same IT field only,
Okay,
but I'm transitioning to a data analyst role.
okay.
So, mentioning my previous work experience, is it needed or is it not?
The previous work experience is aligning with the job description which you are applying for.
Most of the skills are they align because I
Yeah,
used to be
if
a
that is
IT.
aligning with your latest job description, then you can showcase in
Okay,
your resume. If it is not, then you need to show that all things that is aligning with the job description. Got it?
okay,
And after that, on means after you will be hired or they will be initiating with a profile, you will be done with the BGV. So on that BGV, they will be checking out like on which company, how many years, and what you have done, everything. Okay. So don't worry about that. You need to just give them the food what they want. Okay. And food details are given. They will be giving you the food details. You need to give that food only what they want. Okay. Then only your resume will be going forward. Getting it? No?
okay.
So I have a question.
Yeah, please tell me.
So can you mention or suggest us some of the job portals like where we can apply and get the maximum chances of response
The
from the company side?
maximum and the best chance for getting hired is the company's own career page.
Okay.
Got it? That is the main focus. That must be your main focus. And if you are applying for Amazon, so Amazon Jobs is the only portal where you can rely. Okay. Other than that, there are many portals that are there, like Naukri, Fiber. Okay, they are there. But first priority you need to give means you can check out there in Naukri, like what all job roles that company is having and that all things. You can also go on to Grapevine. Okay, in Grapevine also you can check what are the roles and the main thing that is there. I mean, where you can where you need to apply is that particular company's careers portal. Okay, that is
Okay,
always
sir.
active and the team is also active. Other than that, the main platform that you need to use for that for getting the information and the job description and that all jobs what are listed, refer LinkedIn.
Okay, okay.
No any application is there who can bid in this field with LinkedIn. Okay, so we'll be having more sessions on the LinkedIn optimization so that you will be getting more leads and also more information on your domain. Means how you will be getting your means more domain information over on it. You'll be getting it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll be having a session on LinkedIn also. That is very important. So LinkedIn and the official's career page that I do recommend.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anything else, guys?
So I had one question,
Yeah,
the
please.
same question. I had made this resume of mine, which is somewhat similar to the points you have said, but I'm getting rejection.
Can you please share your screen?
Yes, sir. So here's my resume. I've made it very simple.
There is the hyperlinks.
Yes, sir.
Just press Control
I,
A.
should I increase zoom in?
No, no, it's fine. It's fine. It's
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
See, Same thing that you have done. See, the ATS is what, like, they are not humans. Okay, they will be reading like what, you know, Manthan Deva, and that means that hyperlinks, they will be ignoring it, that
Yeah.
number. Okay, and after that directly it will be starting from the education. The format is also wrong. Okay, the first thing that you need to write is overview, on which you will be writing according to the job description what are the things, the overview, the summary. After that, you need to add the skills. Okay, certifications. This all certification, it is not needed.
Okay.
Okay, so it will hallucinate the model. Okay, the ATS model.
Okay.
Got it. So these are things you need to improve. And other than that, projects also, it's fine. Too many points, you need to reduce it. And
Okay.
skill sets like this unit, you are not required to write the skill set. Be specific. Okay, write the exact skill set like Python. That's all. Do not write that TensorFlow, PyTorch, and that all things. It is not
Okay.
required. Python, SQL, that all. MySQL, that all. Machine learning, in that, and so deep learning, that's all. Okay, you are not required to explain that. And so you are
Okay.
not making the model to read out that all things. You want the model should catch those words that are there in
Job
job
description.
description,
Yeah.
so that it can mark your resume as 95%. If
Okay.
the ATS is marking your resume as 95%, it will be passed to the recruiter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So means do that all things. Formatting also, the summary, skills, experience, project, certifications. That all.
Okay.
That's all. Okay. Under the certification, only that certification you need to add what which is aligned with the job description.
Job description.
If
Yeah.
the application is for AWS, so if you have any means certification on AWS, so you can add it that only. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. And reduce the words, make
Okay.
some spacing between the words, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sir, can I share my resume quickly? So,
Yeah, you can share. We
yeah.
have 6 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, first, your resume is 2 page. So first only it will be cut it. It will be rejected. Keep your resume in single page. First thing. Do not add too much things. They are not human who are reading out that all things. Okay. They are the NLP model that are just recognizing the test. And you need to reduce that thing. Okay. The 2 page resumes are always, it will always be rejected. And also the format is correct, but means you need to reduce that. Do not add so much things. Okay. It's the bad practice. Just go with the job description, frame out that job description on your resume. Let them think like, yeah, I am the only person who can do this job because I am experienced, I have the experience, I have developed the project, and also I am from the same background. That you need to showcase to resume.
Okay,
Means
sir.
that ATS. Okay, because
Okay.
ATS is not knowing anything. It just runs on the percentage. How much percentage is the resume matching with the job description given? If it is matching 80%, then he will be checking out the company's requirement. Like, company will be giving the requirement to the ATS. Like, if the resume is matched by 80% or 90% or 70%, then only pass. If it is not passing, then drop it. Okay. So you need to acquire the 95% passing rate. Okay. Because
Okay.
no any company do more than 95%. They do like 90%, 92%, 80%, like that. Okay.
Okay.
So you need to showcase like, yeah, I am the right person, and for this job, I am the only person that is having all these skill sets, and also I have the experience, and also I have the means similar projects. So like that, I can do. Got it?
Yes. So, is it required for a resume to have projects?
Yes. What?
Is it required for a resume to include projects, or is
Yeah,
it optional?
projects is needed. Yeah, projects is needed. But the project you need to add that project only that is aligned with the job description.
Okay, okay.
That's the only thing. If see, ATS is a human. Okay, if just consider ATS is a human. He is asking you, give me mango. Okay, you are giving him banana. He will not be accepting. Okay, if he is asking like, yeah, I need a mango which is in yellow color. If you are giving the mango in green color, it will not accept. Okay, it will drop it. Got it? So you need to give what they want, and what they want is the job description. You need to get a copy of that job description that should depict that all skill sets on you through your resume, so that it will be passing. Got it? That you need to do. That's the secret behind your rejections. If it is rejected by one day only, that is the only reason why it is being rejected. You can try once and let me know if it is working or not.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So I hope so. No any doubt is there. Please adhere to the rules that I have said. Okay, so that only you need to do.